Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me and Mary J's Halls.
Whoop,
Shout
whoop.
out to her YouTube channel for a new video. I invited her to take part in this one because we're going to be talking about shopping on Amazon, and that is her area of expertise. While I call myself an expert on selling on Amazon, so we're gonna look into are we charging too much
Okay.
when it comes to selling print-on-demand products. I'm going to focus on two of the best sellers for me, t-shirts and hats.
Okay.
And I'm actually going to make the distinction real quick that most of my t-shirt sales are through Amazon merch, but I just wanted to compare it to Printful t-shirts and see if it's viable.
Cool.
Cool? All right, let's get started. All right, real quick before we start, got to let you know I'm running a weekly print-on-demand giveaway. You can check it out for free. Link in the description. This week sponsored by Merch Titans Upload Automation, Merch Ninja Research Tools, and you know about All Sunsets.
All sunsets.
Yes, we have done videos on, we've done some Amazon merch videos on her channel. By the way, I'll mention that in a second. But right next to the giveaway, I have a free print-on-demand mini course, 8 days delivered to your inbox, 1 lesson a day, and a print-on-demand Facebook community if you'd like to join. Last but not least,
Whoop whoop. Yes, Mary J's Halls. We cover a wide range of things, but our recent little excursion is the Amazon Merch Q4 challenge to see if we can tier up our account from tier 25 to as high as we can go within Q4 and see how many sales we can make out of it. So with full transparency.
yes, and we should be tier 500 eligible. And when we started, it was tier 25.
Yeah.
We should have enough sales for tier 500. So cool. Check that out. Link in the description. All right. So the reason you guys came, how much is too much? What should we be charging for print on demand on Amazon?
I think it depends on product and it depends on the design. At least for me, for each person it's different. I think it's a function of, their income and how badly they want that product. When I want something super badly, I'm willing to pay the asking price if they won't barter with me. So,
Yeah.
I mean, if I'm ballparking for a t-shirt, I wouldn't pay probably more than 20.
Is that with shipping or without?
Without. It depends, but without.
Yeah, because when they add shipping and you've already reached the checkout, you're kind of eh.
Yeah, agreed. And then for hats, is that the other thing?
Hats is, that's the other one I wanted to talk about.
Hats is tough because I don't wear hats that often because I've got an awkward shaped head. But again, I would probably say
$30?
30, 35.
Yeah.
Reaching its limits. Unless I love it, I will pay 60 or 70.
For a normal hat though, not
for
a
a normal hat,
yeah.
I'm not paying over 30, 35.
So let's look into it. First, I just wanted to say that when it comes to pricing things on Amazon, the first thing that popped into my mind was the video I did 2 months ago or so on this new scam called Amazon dropshipping, where people online gurus are trying to sell people that haven't sold on Amazon before to essentially sell them a service of building their Amazon store, and essentially just drop shipping products from Walmart and other places to your Amazon customer. So the entire business is built on skimping pennies on the dollar on each transaction, with pretty big downside when you consider returns, which Amazon customers are no stranger to. Literally, what was I talking about before we started recording? Remember?
Yeah.
I was somebody's costing me, it was
$50.
I thought it was 50. It ended up being 35, but it just sucks. But you know what? That's Amazon.
But I have a perfect example of that because that happened to us the other day. Someone drop shipped something from Walmart from Amazon to us, and we tried to return it because it was the wrong product. We couldn't find it anywhere. We called Walmart, no orders, nada. We couldn't find it. I just found it 2 days ago, way back in our Amazon history, but it came in a Walmart box. So it was super confusing.
There
but
you
they
go.
drop shipped it from Amazon through Walmart.
So that is a thing. But when it comes to pricing on Amazon, I just, I'm going to talk to you guys about the fees that they take from each sale as well. And I'm still not in favor at all of the Amazon drop shipping thing and trying to skimp very minor profit
Pennies,
margins on. So this just popped into mind though to talk about Amazon and cross-checking prices between Amazon and other platforms. We know Amazon is the #1 e-commerce marketplace in the world, so that is probably safe to assume where most people go initially.
Yeah.
Which presents opportunity, but then there's more savvy shoppers who will find it on places like Walmart, Etsy, eBay, whatever. I'd be on eBay, but
Yeah, you would.
so I searched Amazon for funny hat, and in the first row, you'll see here $13.99, $14.95, $14.95. That makes it really hard to compete, obviously, because that's the base cost of most of these products when we sell them through Printful.
Okay.
So that means like any hat that, if I want to order a hat for myself, at a minimum, I'm paying Printful that much, plus shipping.
Okay.
And
so you're taking your products from Printful and sending them to Amazon merch?
So with print on demand through Printful, we can, and not through merch, because I'm selling through
Amazon
Seller
what?
Central. You know Seller Central.
Oh yeah. Okay. So is it FBA?
FBM.
Fulfilled by merchant though.
Yeah. So
you don't have this inventory here.
Yeah. So we integrate Printful as the middleman. So they have software automatically downloads the order, fulfills it, and sends it out, and we just skimp the kind of like what I talked about with Amazon drop shipping, except we're not like, because if you're doing this and they run out of, whoever's fulfilling your products, if they run out of inventory, you're screwed. Because Amazon doesn't want you refunding people due to you not having the.
Yeah.
And you can have the same issue with Printful. It's just not as common. But anyways, it's gonna be tough to compete with these low price points.
Because that's what your base cost is at Printful.
Yeah. So that means that we're kind of excluded from this. And also, I'm not even going to speculate as to how they're able to do this. Although I do know people like own their own
inventory.
Small shops own these machines and they can do embroidery. They can do the one on the left there is like printed on. It's not even embroidered. So
the embroidered ones look better though.
Yeah, they do. But I just wanted to point out that, and I'll show you guys, hey, hang tight for a second. I'll show you my sales for the last 6 months and make you a believer that this is possible. Because I'm always subscribing to the belief that, stop yawning.
I know, sorry.
That, what was I going to say? That Amazon customers will pay more than pretty much any other customer on the internet. Because I think a lot of people just go to Amazon because they shop on Amazon, period.
Yeah. I would say that my first destination when I'm buying, whether it's paper towels, stuff like that, I tend to go to Amazon first. Now I do price check around. I know you like to shop from eBay, but not gonna lie, I've found a lot of things that are cheaper on Amazon than they are on eBay.
I figured that would come up. But also worth pointing out, when you shop FBM and you buy like a hat from me, you don't get the Prime free shipping.
Yeah.
And so it works to my benefit that Prime exists, even though it doesn't cost me anything because they don't get Prime from me.
Yeah. You see, for me though, it is absolutely a deterrent to not have a Prime symbol next to it. And sometimes I even turn on the Prime filter specifically to only get Prime products. So I do think that's a little hit that people doing the Printful integration take.
To go off on a mini tangent, like Gear Bubble lets you do FBA coffee mugs and certain products, ones that can be fulfilled through a certain facility they have. Printful, I've asked, they don't let you arrange to have FBA because you can take your best sellers from print on demand and you can order them and then ship them in for FBA. And then, like you said, you can charge more, have higher demand, etc.
Yeah.
So it can be done. It's been done. I've done it before. I actually meant to do it this year. I kind of forgot. But either way, I already know it works. I've done it before. But it doesn't really work that well outside of the fourth quarter unless it's trending.
Yeah, that makes sense. Fourth quarter being Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas primarily. Yeah, this next month. All right, so I had a hat order today real quick, just showing you the price point and everything. So the price I charged, $25.95 plus $4.60 shipping. So it came right to around what you said you'd be willing to pay for a hat you really want, $30.55. From that $30.55, Printful took $19.14 for fulfillment of the hat and shipping. And then Amazon took their 17%, which was $5.19. So I kept $6.22. Now let me enlighten you guys as to how I got to this number of charging $25.95 for the hat. Now, first and foremost, I'll let you know that the hat had a base cost of $15.95.
Okay.
And also, Printful does these volume discounts. They're a lot more attainable now. But they, I don't factor that in here, but I did actually make about, hey, Pablo, it's our new puppy, Pablo. The white puppy we actually gave to my parents, if anybody was wondering. If you remember.
We have lots of chihuahuas.
Yeah, we have multiple chihuahuas here. But what I aim to do is I aim to make $10 profit per sale from Printful. So when you're keying in your price for Printful, I want it to say at least $10 profit. So if I know its base cost $15.95, then I'm typing in $25.95 as the price, and Amazon takes it 17%. And then also, because it's embroidery, there is a potential digitization fee. While that's a one-time thing, you still have to pay it that first time. So technically I would lose money if it was the first time I've sold this hat, because the digitization fee for a custom graphic is $6.50.
Now, is Printful its own marketplace too? So do
No,
your
good
products...
question.
Okay.
Good question though. Yeah, they're not their own marketplace.
They should be.
Well, they integrate
if
with.
they're already doing the printing stuff there, they might as well just have their own marketplace.
The people at Printful are extremely, well, the people. I've actually had the ability to talk to their CEO for like an hour on the phone, and he's a very ambitious guy. He's smart, so if they never do their own marketplace, I'm sure it's a calculated decision. But also, I mean, if they think that it's something that they could profit from and to a reasonable extent, I'm sure that's something that they'll do.
Yeah.
It's just, there's a lot of things involved like payment processing and stuff, because then you have to start taking more payments from all over the world and stuff like that. So that would be my guess if there's a reason why they don't do it. So anyways, you pay less for digitization if you use the mockup generator, and they also charge a lesser fee if it's a design that goes on like the back or the side of a hat. So you can actually like put designs on the different parts
I like
of
that.
Yeah, so it's really nice for launching your own brand.
Can you do dog clothes through Printful?
Yeah, maybe I ordered some today.
He's like so kissable.
Our dog, they can't see him. You gotta lift him up.
So kissable.
All right, so anyways, for those of you guys that don't care about the dog, sorry. I did mention I would show you my 6-month order history. All right, so this is 6 months, and this is just through my Amazon store. And with Etsy, you should pretty much, in my mind, see a 1-to-1. So every sale you make on Amazon, you should see it mirrored on Etsy. In my experience, that's how it was. So in 6 months, total order costs, which is not the actual revenue, that's just the costs. So that's $28,579, and profit $17,634. And then don't forget, you have to then take the 17%. We ran those numbers. I think the profit came out to like $14K. So, by the way, $14,000 profit in 6 months. If anybody's interested in joining that print on demand course where I teach you literally everything I know, there is a link in the description.
Yeah, that's not
just
bad.
saying, it's not a bad
side.
I'm actually out here doing
hustle.
it. So if you want to learn from me, check that out. All right, and then also t-shirts. We wanted to talk about that real quick. Amazon merch, as you know, because we're doing the Q4 challenge. We're in tier 100 on her account, tier 100,000 on mine.
Close.
But yeah, you'll get there. The lowest price you can charge for a t-shirt is $13.07. And that is hard to compete with if you're not on Amazon merch for a number of reasons. But I actually looked into the pricing. But I just wanted to mention the big differentiator of merch is what you talked about. You get the Prime checkmark.
Yeah.
And that is, and I did a test order just last week where I did the test order for the sweatshirts.
Yeah.
The shirts you're meant to sweat in to see the hidden design.
Oh, sweatshirts.
And they had got them from the day I placed the order to now, or to when I received them, was like 5 days. So for them to offer Prime print on demand, because these shirts aren't pre-made, they still fulfill them very quickly.
Well, yeah, they have the infrastructure though.
Yeah, well, it's Amazon, yeah. So I just wanted to point that out, because with Printful, like, we won't get the shirt created and shipped out that quickly, most likely, and you won't get like the 2-day Prime shipping. But Printful can still be very very fast. So just wanted to compare. If we were to charge $13.07 on Printful for the same shirt, my own variation of the Hogue dealer, you would make $5.12 through Printful. Now I'm trying to think, is that with no, that's not with the volume discount added, because I do have a volume discount. If you can sell like $1,000 through Printful fees each month, you get 5% base cost deduction the following month. So that's like something that they incentivize you to be successful.
Yeah, okay.
And
that's good though.
You can hit, come on guys, you can hit $1,000. I know you can. Next month I should have like at least 7%, hopefully 8%, based on my sales in November. So, and that's for December, it's gonna be huge. So anyways, at $13.07, if we were just to match it from Printful, using the lowest base cost shirt, which is the Gildan 64,000, which is truly my favorite one. The only other one that I'd say is even close is the Bella Canvas 3001. Between the two, I favor the Gildan. So, the Bella one is the, I don't know if it's 3001, but it's the, go ahead, tell them.
It's an awkward fit. Is that what you're asking?
It's the premium shirt from Amazon merch.
Yeah, the premium shirts, guys, if you're looking to buy shirts on Amazon merch, I personally am not a huge fan of the premiums. They're much longer, and then they get really tight at the bottom, and the neckline comes like all the way up here. But the material is better, but the fit isn't.
Yeah, and they even tell you on the listing, if you create a premium shirt, that it runs small.
Yeah, it's...
Yeah. So anyways, you can make, and then you'd make $2.73 per sale. And that's actually interesting to think about, because at $13.07 on merch, as you know, how much do you make per sale?
Zero.
Yep. But at least with merch, like, the sales system incentivizes you to push the sales, get more upload slots, and then go for profitability later, which is what we've been doing.
Yeah.
But on Printful, you would make $2.73 after you deduct the Printful fulfillment cost and shipping cost, and take Amazon's 17%, which was about $3. All right, and then before we wrap up, just wanted to say that, what's your thoughts on like pricing on Etsy? Would you expect to pay more on Etsy or less?
Absolutely, I expect to pay more on Etsy.
Yeah.
I expect it. Like I don't go to Etsy though unless I'm looking for something that looks more artistic than what can be done on Amazon.
Yeah, which brings me to my point when I'm doing my Etsy shop reviews, which I'm going to be dropping a video this week. Like, how you frame products on Etsy, to me, I'm not pretending to be the expert here. Well, I guess you know what? No, I have like 50,000 subs on YouTube. I'm the expert. But seriously, it's like you can take a Gildan shirt that's $7.95 base cost, and you can sell one, and I can sell the same shirt, but I can take the thumbnail and make it a little bit nicer.
You just got to make it look more like rustic, rural, natural,
Exactly.
and like smaller mom and pop shop
Right.
kind of thing.
You can take the same product, frame it nicely in the primary thumbnail, and command a higher price point.
Yeah, agreed.
Like Etsy's like that's what I think of when I think of Etsy.
Yeah, I agree.
Because there's people getting away with murder on Etsy doing just that. So yeah, more shop reviews this week though to look forward to. So any other thoughts on Etsy? Talk about what you were purchasing for the print-on-demand sellers.
Well, you mean my dog clothes?
Yeah.
I got matching dog outfits, and they were super expensive, but I don't think they're necessarily needed to be that expensive. But there's one company, the Fit Frenchie. If you guys don't know them, look them up. Maybe they'll make me an affiliate one day.
Yeah. So yeah, that's just like think outside the box on Etsy sometimes too, and leverage the personalization. You know, they make it super easy. You click and then enable personalization, and
Yeah, and if anyone knows how to customize dog clothes or do like print-on-demand dog clothes, holla.
I've got a video planned.
Of print-on-demand dog clothes?
Yeah, because I may or may
Can I
not
name
have
it?
got a Christmas present for you and Pablo. Yeah, so maybe we'll do like an early Christmas gift and then
That
show
would be
it for
so
the
fun.
for the YouTubes. Yeah, if you guys are interested in checking that out, let us know in the comments below, or we can do it on your channel too.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. All right, and eBay expectation: pay more, pay
Lower.
less. Right, I'd say lower as well. I go to
But price check, people.
yeah, and I mean I go to eBay specifically with the expectation of paying less.
Me too.
Yeah, and then also worth noting that while eBay, my favorite function is I click buy it now because people think it's an auction website. It's mainly not. And then but there's still an option to say only buy it now, filter out auctions.
That's what I do.
And then I do price plus shipping, low to high. Redbubble, on the other hand, I don't even think of like price mattering on Redbubble. I think Redbubble.
I've purchased a lot through Redbubble,
Yeah.
mainly Will Smith stickers. So again, if anyone knows Will Smith, holla.
One day.
One day.
My friend from college was his stunt double, and he like didn't feel comfortable asking Will to like
I know.
do like a 2-second thing for you. So
I know,
I
it's
was like,
okay.
dude, I will pay you, and he still couldn't get it done.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. Anyways, Redbubble, intentionally, the one thing I was going to say is the thing I love on eBay, they don't even support on Redbubble, which is the filter in search results by price. So Redbubble's literally about the artists. You know,
Yeah.
they call people who sell on Redbubble artists, and they're about the art. So
I agree. I like that though.
yeah. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video. Just wanted to plug my course for one last time. Link in the description. I can show you how in 6 months netted 14K profit from just Amazon selling print-on-demand products through Printful. That's just Printful, by the way. I still sell through Gearbubble as well. So it's not even painting the full picture. And that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe to the video and the channel, guys. Appreciate it. Check out Mary J. Halls on YouTube. We're dropping a new video
Today.
tonight. Yeah, cool. Anyways, guys, take care. Thanks for watching.